Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on AMC. So this thing is finally bouncing. Yesterday we had massive volume, it had a massive rip. You can see the day before when they sold off a little bit, they had volume around 28 million shares. And then yesterday, the big bounce here, looks like 56 million shares traded on this candle. So that was pretty big. And then if we zoom in a little bit here, we can see a bit of a gap up, or actually a big gap up, but then a dump. So it's trading just above the 13 mark. This thing was up above $14 in pre-market. We can see that here running up to open. This thing got as high as about $14.40 or so. So technically, seeing that big volume and that green candle yesterday, it definitely looks like it may have found a bottom for now. News story came out this morning as well. AMC shares are trading higher after the company announced that Taylor Swift has some tour that's going to be actually shown in theaters. So this might be a bit of a catalyst here that caused the pre-market pump, but it pretty much dumped right away when the market opened. So for me, I've got a bunch of short calls open on AMC right now. I am still bearish on them. Their financial statements are just really, really bad, and the CEO is telling you the financial statements are really, really bad. So I'm going to continue to hold my short positions. Again, although technically it looks like this thing might rip back a little bit, we'll see if it holds. Because right now you can see on the daily time frame, the bottom that they found here was $10.72. So what I'm expecting here, with this thing moving up pretty good from $10.72 to over $14 now, that's a pretty good move up. I'm looking to see if the bears will crush this thing again and go down and retest that low of $10.72. There's just a lot of things going on right now with AMC that are posing challenges for them. We've got the strikes, we've got their financial statements are really bad. The CEO has said we're going to have to keep diluting or we're going to run out of cash. So for me, I'm still bearish, even though again technically this looks like an area where it's kind of bottomed out and it might have a pretty good rip. But we kind of saw this right here too. Look at this little run up. We had this fat gap down. And then it rallied up pretty good on the reverse split adjusted pricing here. We see it went from 31.79 all the way up to 41.89. So that was a pretty big move there, and then massive dump. So we'll kind of see here, but I'm expecting at some point this thing to dump and this thing to retest this level of 10.72. But if it does continue to rise here, let's just say it does continue to rip back here and make moves higher, I'll just continue to sell calls on it. I'll continue to take short positions, because until those financial statements change and they actually start making money and they actually stop bleeding money, I'm going to remain bearish on AMC. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on AMC. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.